Steven, we need to talk. Dating you makes me uncomfortable.
I think we should see other people.
I'm moving to Canada.
Hey, Steven.
Hey,
Hey guys,
what's wrong?
Jenny just broke up with me.
I'm sorry, man.
It's fine, I don't know why I can't keep a girlfriend. I'm constantly losing them left and right.
It's okay, Steven. You'll find someone to stick around. Gotta get to class.
See ya.
See you, Liz. I just don't get it. What am I doing wrong?
I don't think there's anything wrong with you. I just don't think you're meeting the right girls.
Well, who are the right girls?
I don't know. What about Elizabeth?
Liz? What about Liz?
Well, you've known each other for a while. I mean, you must have some sort of chemistry, right?
I honestly didn't even think about that. I didn't even know that was an option.
I think it's worth a shot, man. I'll see you later.
Hey, Liz.
Hi, Steven. You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm better now. So, I was wondering, are you doing anything after school today?
No, I think I'm free. What's up?
I was just wondering, maybe you wanted to, get some dinner? I don't know, maybe.
Just the two of us?
Yeah, just you and me.
Like as friends?
Yeah, friends, totally.
Okay. Pick me up at 7?
Okay, sounds great.
Stephanie Gable, party of 2.
Nice place, huh?
Yeah, I guess. How was your food?
It was good. How was yours?
Good.
Good.
Your bill, sir?
Thanks.